Start by opening any video on YouTube. Now, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel on your phone. Here, you will see the brightness slider. Simply drag the brightness slider to the right to increase brightness or to the left to decrease it. Adjust it until the video looks clear and comfortable to watch. Another thing you can try is disabling adaptive or auto brightness. To do this, open your phone's settings, then go to Display. Here you will find Adaptive Brightness or Auto Brightness. Turn it off and then manually adjust the brightness slider. Sometimes this feature automatically lowers the brightness, which can make YouTube videos appear darker. After adjusting it, return to YouTube and continue watching your video. And that's how you can adjust YouTube brightness easily while watching videos. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.